All right, in this video, we're going to be talking about pre-warmed mailboxes. More specifically, what they are, why they're a thing in the first place, what the pros and cons are, and then how to set them up if you want to purchase them. So first, let's get the whiteboard out here. What is a pre-warmed mailbox? A pre-warmed mailbox is an email account or a mailbox that has already had warm-up or email reputation set up for you. So that way you can start sending from it day one and be able to get maximum deliverability. Now, to unpack that a little bit more, whenever you are sending cold emails, you want to have email reputation prior to sending them out. So if you just set up a mailbox completely fresh with no reputation and you start sending a bunch of mail, you are going to get blocked and thrown in the spam folder. And the reason why is because Google and Microsoft and these trillion-dollar companies want to make sure that emails that are getting through to the main inbox folder are from trusted senders and people that have reputation. So if you set up a new email account with zero reputation, they are going to basically not let your emails get in the inbox folder, or if they do and you do any little tiniest thing, they're going to send you to the spam folder. And by having reputation and having your emails do warm up, which warm up is basically trading emails back and forth between other people on the network, by having warm up enabled before these email accounts are going, now this email account has reputation and it should be able to make it through spam filters. So effectively, what a pre-warmed mailbox is a mailbox that has already been warmed up, meaning that it has email activity already done for you so that you can start sending from it day one. Now, the pros of this is that you can start sending up day one. Alternatively, which we're going to talk about in another module, is non-warmed up mailboxes. Whenever you use non-warmed up mailboxes, you need to purchase them and then wait 14 days to 21 days to get them all kind of aged and warmed up so you can send from them. So that's the main kind of pro and con. I'll outline the pros here. So pros is speed. You can get these set up and start sending same day. So that's the main pro. Now, the con here is the cost. They cost a little bit more. And the other con here is the naming. So because I'll go through this quickly. So pros, very straightforward. If you purchase a pre-warmed mailbox, you can start sending today and have good deliverability. Now, the cons are the cost. It costs a little bit more. And the naming. Whenever Smartlead sets up these email accounts for you in the domains, they pick the names of the accounts and they pick the domains. The reason why, obviously, they need to have something set up to be able to give to you. And so if something is set up like earlier, that means you don't get to pick the name. They already have a pool set up. So if you have your company and your company is google.com, you might not be able to get, or you very likely won't get an email that says google.com or have a name that is yours. It'll be a random name and a generic sounding domain. Now, I'll tell you, again, I run an agency. I've sent millions of emails. I've run with pre-warmed domains. It does not affect performance in our experience at all. So take that with a grain of salt, or as you will. We've run tons of split tests. We have customers who we've transitioned from pre-warmed onto, custom branded domains, and we found the performance to be identical. And so really the naming is more of a preference thing. I just bring that up because some people really want it to be their own name and their branding and whatever. But the main objective thing is cost. So you get quicker speed, it's more expensive, and you don't get to pick the names. So for a lot of people out there who just want to get started fast and don't really care about the name because it doesn't really affect performance, you can get this set up. So to set this up, all you gotta do is head over to your email accounts tab here, press purchase mailbox, and then it'll give you an option here to purchase pre-warmed mailboxes. So now to do this, you press continue, and then it'll give you the names of all the different pre-warmed mailboxes you can purchase. Now remember, they let you pick. So you don't get to pick the name exactly. What these companies do is they pick these generic sounding names. That way you who, could run a marketing agency, a staffing company, any type of business, a software business, service business, you can pick one that sounds good to you. So like this one, maybe I like Inbound Field Pro because we're a service business and you like the word field in it. Cool. You can press this to the cart, or you can press buy now. Same thing here. So send RevOps, you can just pick any of these, and there's pages and pages and pages. And then you can also see what the mailbox are named. So again, they use generic names because, they need the mailbox set up. So if I like this, let's say I like I'm going to do the send RevOps here. I can either press add to cart or buy now. I'm going to press buy now. It's going to ask for the forwarding domain. So what this is going to do is it's going to basically ask me, if someone clicks on this domain, where does it push to? So this is where you type in your main domain. So for me, this would be anivomarketing.com. And then I can press next. and then it'll offer me to pay. So I can just press make secure payment. And you can see when we go into the next module here and we talk about the normal domains, these are a little bit more expensive. You pay a premium to get stuff up and running faster, but this is really, really useful for people that prioritize speed and want to get up and running today. So if you press make secure payment, it will get this all set up, and then it'll load into your email accounts tab ready for you to use. So that's pre-warmed mailboxes at a super high level. On the next module, we will talk about the non-pre-warmed mailboxes.